Alright, update on Gala games. So we'll make this a quick one as I think it's pretty clear cut what's going on right now. On the lower time frames, I mean, we're really just starting to pick up momentum after we've had a bearish retest. From these 4-hourly EMA ribbons, volume is picking up a tiny bit, not too much. I really want to focus on the daily because I think most of what's going on the daily is very, very clear cut now. I've been talking about this breakdown target of this M pattern for quite a while. The pattern is still very valid because, I mean, we made this M, we came halfway down, backtested it once, twice. We backtested the neckline of this twice now. And now we're heading down, we've taken out these lows, so you know, I still do have to assume that the price target of this M pattern is on the table. If we look at the daily squeeze momentum indicator, really picking up momentum to the downside and starting to head down. So unfortunately for Gala games, I think a 21% drop is on the table. Not only is this backed up with the technicals, not only is it backed up with the fact that we've broken market structure from this 786 Fibonacci at 23 cent, it is also backed up with what's going on in the macro term. If we come over to Bitcoin, I've been talking about this for the past week on Bitcoin. If you only watch my Gala videos and you don't watch my Bitcoin videos, basically, since we kind of hugged these EMA ribbons on the 6th of April, I've been calling for a potential move down to 40,000. Momentum is starting to pick up, selling volume starting to pick up, and we're already halfway down. So I really have to assume 40,000 is on the table for Bitcoin. We're really not far away. So this extra little flush out, which is another 3%, can definitely carry Gala games down a little bit more. Now, bear in mind, Bitcoin's only down 3% today. Gala games is down about 8%. So, you know, while another 3% necessarily won't correlate with a 21% drop, I think it's really high time that we came down, filled these lows, and, you know, tested where this price target is of this big M pattern. You know, all in all, the entire market structure on Gala games has been invalidated. We're below the 786. Even if we draw it from candle body close on the all-time high instead of the candle wick, you know, we're miles below the 786 now. So I really have to assume that unfortunately this is on the table. I am predicting a move down to 15 cent, or specifically 15.637. That would be approximately about a 21% decrease from where we are now. And I really think, you know, this is definitely very clear cut that it's on the table, because we've only recently reset the 4-hourly EMA ribbons, and the last time we did this we had a tiny bit of momentum before we really started reaccumulating the bearish momentum. So I have to assume this is on the table. That's really all I've got for Gala games. We do need to bottom at this region though. Like, if we don't start bottoming at 15 cent, then I really don't have any other fib levels. I mean, we can draw from low to high, but I'd imagine that we're coming down to sweep the lows. So if we look at the most recent move we've kind of got, you know, a double confluence region with the 1.618 pointing at 16 cent, and just here we've got a 15.44% move. So really, I think, you know, your best case scenario, we're still coming down another 18%. I could be wrong. My gut feeling is pointing that we're going to move down to 15.5, which, you know, is this M pattern breakdown. And why we really need to hold this is we really don't have much support coming in until we come down to this 2.618 slash, you know, previous accumulation range before this big push up. This would be calling that we'd move down to 8 cent. And once again, I'm really not calling that we're going to move down to 8 cent. This is just something we need to keep in mind. This is a 60% drop. I think that is too much. I'm not saying we're moving down to the 2.618. I am saying, you know, my gut feelings, we're going to move down to between 16 and 15.5 cent, which I've already highlighted. 1.618 fib. Previous local low down here, previous macro low, and M pattern breakdown. So that's really all I've got for you for Gala. Just a quick update. We're really not looking too good right now. We needed to break above this 200-day. We had a failed retest. We've had a failed retest twice of this M pattern breakdown. And yeah, all in all, I've got to assume that 16 cent at least is on the table. That's all I've got for you today for Gala. Best of luck if you're in it. Once again, none of this is financial advice, just my opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Cowboy out. Peace.